Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create smooth transition in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add my videos to the timeline, and I'm going to create transition for this video. Okay. If we want to add transition, we can go to the transitions menu, and to create smooth transition for our video, we can go to the blur category right here. Select the transition option, click on this little arrow, and then select blur. And I recommend you to select the particle blur. Okay, this one guys. I'm going to add this transition to my video. Okay, I'm just going to click on OK. Alright, and then I'm going to customize the duration. Just go to the duration right here. You can play around with the slider. Okay, and then I'm going to play the video to take a look at what we have. Okay, this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth transition in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.